Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make half kg vanilla cake without oven and in the karai with perfect measurement. First take a bowl and a strainer. How every time we'll take maida with 1 cup, my mother is going to show you how to take it carefully without pressing. If you press and do, the measurement won't be correct, and you should do how my mother is doing, then the measurement will be correct. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, half tablespoon of corn flour. Then add half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add a pinch of salt and then sieve them. And then mix them well. After mixing, if you sieve it 2 times, then the cake will become very spongy and you will have a good result of a cake. It is now mixed well, now keep it aside. Then take a cake mold, then add oil and grease it with oil properly. Then add buttered paper on top of it and also grease the buttered paper. This is 3 into 6 inch cake mold. Now take a mixing bowl and add 2 eggs which has a room temperature, and also add 1/3 cup of sugar powder. Beat it until it has a foamy consistency on low speed, and also beat it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you do it on high speed, when you bake the cake, it will have many holes and it will not look very nice. And after beating for a while, it should have a foamy consistency like that. After 2 minutes, we are going to take the side and we are going to put the side part on the middle part so that we can get a very nice batter. And then beat it again for 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and half tablespoon of vanilla essence and then beat it for 30 seconds. It's now ready. Now add our dry ingredients. After adding the dry ingredients 2 to 3 times, mix it with folding methods. After mixing the dry ingredients, it is looking a bit dry, so we are going to add 1 tablespoon of milk which has a room temperature. If you don't add the milk, when you bake the cake will become hard and it will not become soft. But it will become a cake but hard. You can see after adding the milk it is very soft. Our batter is now ready. Now add it in our cake mold. Then stir it with a toothpick so that we can get the air out. And then we should tap it 4 to 5 times so that the lumps are out. See, you can see. Place the mold in the 5-minute preheated pan. And then put on the lid. And then bake it for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low flame. After 25 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake, and if the peak comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. And then now we are going to take it out of the pan and we are going to wait it for cool down. Then we are going to demold it. If you bake it at oven, you should same do like this for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can see how spongy and perfect it is looking. You can see how soft it is. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.